Legend. In today's video, you'll learn the 30 most common animal names in Spanish. You'll see that some of them are very similar, but most of them are different. So listen carefully and try to repeat. Besides, at the end, we will make a short quiz to see if you can correctly answer 5 of these animals. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Perro, dog, gato, cat, pájaro, bird, pez, fish, caballo, horse, vaca, cow, cerdo, pig, gallina, hen, pollo, chicken, conejo, rabbit. And remember that in Spanish, J is pronounced as the H in English. Rana, frog, tortuga, turtle, mono, monkey, elefante, elephant, león, lion, tigre, tiger, oso, bear, zorro, fox, canguro, kangaroo, delfín, dolphin, ballena, whale, serpiente, snake, tiburón, shark, zebra, zebra, jirafa, giraffe, lobo, wolf, pato, duck, bull, owl. And remember that the H in Spanish words is not pronounced. Búho, murciélago, bat. I hope that you find those animals interesting. And now, if you repeated them after me, and hopefully you learned some of them, let's make a short quiz to see if you understood. Can you tell me what animal is this? Yes, congratulations! Caballo, horse. What about this one? Yes, congratulations! Conejo, rabbit. Let's go with the next one. Yes, that's it. Oso, bear. Now the fourth one. Yes, congratulations. Serpiente, snake. What about the final one? Lobo, wolf. Yeah, congratulations. You did a very good job.